Dual basket air fryers are an innovative kitchen appliance that allow users to cook multiple dishes at once, without any mixing of flavors. There are many products available to choose dual basket air fryers, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best dual basket air fryers from reputable brands. After much research, I found there's products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus XL 8 QT Clear Cook Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex Plus XL 8-quart dual basket air fryer oven is a great choice for individuals, couples, or small families. It has 8-in-1 functionality, clear cook windows, dual baskets, synchronized cooking, even crisp technology, one-touch smart programs, fast preheating, and easy cleanup. Customers have found it to be a great kitchen purchase, with a decent amount of capacity and fast temperature control. However, some have found the door handle gets too hot, the tray sticks, and the display says off when it's not in use. Number 2. Chefman TurboFree Touch Dual Air Fryer. The Chefman TurboFree Touch Dual Air Fryer is the world's fastest and handiest way to cook for a crowd. With 8 built-in cooking functions, you can air fry crispy chicken, fresh fish, succulent steak, and golden French fries to a flawless finish with little to no oil. The TurboFree Touch Dual Air Fryer has 2 spacious, 4.5-quart baskets so you can maximize and master mealtime. It also has adjustable temperature control of 200° F to 400° F and intuitive digital control, making it easier than ever to achieve absolute perfection. The exterior is sleek and easy to clean, and all accessories are dishwasher safe. Customers love the product for its ease of use, large surface area, and ability to cook a variety of dishes. Number 3. Instant VersaZone 9 QT Air Fryer. The Instant Vortex 9-quart VersaZone 8-in-1 air fryer is a great kitchen appliance for those looking to make quick and delicious meals. It is a versatile appliance that can bake, roast, broil, reheat, dehydrate, sink cook, and sink finish. It also features even crisp technology, which drives airflow top-down for a perfect golden finish and crispy, tender results every time. The air fryer also has customizable one-touch smart programs and fast preheating, making it a great addition to any kitchen. Number 4. Crownful 8-quart Air Fryer. The Crownful 8-quart 8-in-1 dual basket air fryer is an excellent choice for those looking for a versatile and efficient kitchen appliance. With its 8-quart large capacity and 8 preset cooking menu, it is perfect for cooking different types of food simultaneously. It also has an independent temperature control system, sink finish and dual cook functions, and a shake reminder function. It is also easy to clean and comes with a 1-year warranty and friendly customer support. Number 5. Sidus Smart Double Air Fryer. The Sidus Double Air Fryer is a versatile and convenient kitchen appliance that allows you to cook 2 different foods simultaneously, saving you time and effort. With its large 8-quart capacity, you can easily prepare meals for the whole family. The air fryer offers 6 cooking programs, including air frying, broiling, roasting, baking, reheating, and dehydrating, giving you endless cooking possibilities. The smart control system allows you to synchronize the cooking zones, ensuring that your foods are cooked to perfection. The Clear Cook Windows design lets you monitor the cooking progress without opening the baskets, while the non-stick and dishwasher-safe baskets make cleanup a breeze. With the Sidus Double Air Fryer, you can enjoy delicious and healthier meals with ease. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier.